I'm Robin Clevitt and today I'm going to show you the range of screwdriver bits from ForgeFast. And later on, I'm going to show you some tips using these bits. The ForgeFast Elite Performance screwdriver bits are designed to work with impact drivers and standard drill drivers. They have an optimal shock-absorbing torsion zone for high torque applications. They're made with specially engineered hardened steel to extend wear resistance and bit life. The high tolerance machine tip reduces cam out and screw head damage. There's a wide range of bits from Torx T10 to T40, ideal for the ForgeFast screw range. The posi bits include longer 89 and 152mm bits. There's a full range of holders and extensions, 12 and 32 piece sets, and there are 8 and 10mm hex nut drivers. When you're removing a screw like this, you need super hardened steel bits because once these screws are in, they're in for good. I need a long shafted extension like this. The amount of torque that can take is absolutely incredible. And what I do like is the fact that you can buy these bits in kits that I can clip onto my belt. I do like things like this. I can turn them up this way, I can flip them round, I can get them out. So it's really nice to have them all in one tidy box. And there's a couple of each, which is nice for me because I will drop one. I will have to go and get another one as well. So that was the range of screwdriver bits from ForgeFast and a little tip on those bits. So for more tips and to see the rest of the Elite range, follow the link on screen, and thank you for watching.